Hey, in this video, we're going to check out the Donner Cyclops amplifier.
You got a nice master volume knob right here. Guitar comes in here. Here's the drum machine volume. This adjusts your chorus or tremolo. This adjusts the delay, and this adjusts the reverb. When these are turned down, they're in the off position. Here's the start stop for your drum machine. This is tap tempo. If you hold this down, it's got a guitar tuner on it. This is the amplifier select knob. Jazz clean, 2 Lux, UK 800, Vox 30T, PV 51, US rect, and then it's got a flat which should bypass the amp modeling. Amp volume, single tone, and a gain knob. This display has the cellophane still on it, so it'll look a little hazy. Here's the power button. These lights signify different things. In tuner mode, this lets you know if you're flat or sharp of the note. Center would be in tune, and it tells you what the note you're on is in this window right here. When you're in drum machine mode and you're selecting the drum patterns, it's 1 through 9. The next 1 through 9 will be this light. Then the next 1 through 9 will be this light. The next 1 through 9 will be this light. This thing should have about 40 different drum styles on it. I think you got 10, 10, 10, and 10. On the back panel, you have 9-volt negative center pin, headphone out, auxiliary in. These are 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter. It's got a USB port, but I believe this is for firmware upgrades only. Here's your battery compartment. This thing can run off of batteries. Looks like 6 AA's. This thing is killer for a tiny guitar amp, man. Okay, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking just to keep from having to do a multi-mic setup here, but I'm going to throw a SM7B in front of this thing and go through the drum patterns and the amplifier sounds just to give you an idea of what the combo amp sounds like. Hey, in this video, I'm using a Donner DMT100. I have a video reviewing this guitar alone if you wanted to check it out. I have the little amp mic'd with the SM7B, and that's going straight to an audio interface. Everything you're hearing is from this amplifier. The guitar is totally dry. I'm not using any of the chorus, delay, or reverb. You're just hearing the straight amp models with its drum machine. I'm going to twist through the sound of the effects. We're going to have modulation, delay, and reverb. These are split in half, so half of this is chorus, half is tremolo. You can hear it switch to the other effect in the center position. Two different types of delays and reverb and modulation. So let me see if I can let you see what that sounds like. The master volume knob is set at halfway. I didn't mess with it at all during this demonstration. When you turn this thing on, it's in Bluetooth discovery mode automatically. And then I think after a few minutes that disappears. It doesn't stay discoverable long. What this is you can sync your cell phone to this and it works just like an audio device. So any backing track on YouTube or whatever you want to jam with, your cell phone's audio will come out of this. All right, we powered the amp off. I'm going to turn it back on. And it does the boo beep, and the blue flashing light means it's discoverable if you want to sync your cell phone to it. In my cell phone, I turned Bluetooth on. Right there, it sees the Donner Cyclops. Pair with Donner Cyclops, yes. And now we are connected for audio. And everything that would play out of my phone speaker is now going through the little amplifier. Let's just go to one of my videos. To control the backing track volume, you would just use the volume on the device that's connected to the amp. You can turn that up and down. So yeah, have your own backing tracks and sync your cell phone to this thing. I hope this video was helpful for you. I think we've went over the main features of the amplifier. Yeah.
Hey, thank you so much for checking the video out. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.